caption is real. They're like, no! So the rest of us are like, well, I don't know, your theological beliefs are meaning that I have limited access to, like, reproductive rights. And they're like, yeah, that's fine, but what if one day somebody comes in
and the right of way.
My 6-year-old God isn't real? What am I supposed to do then? It's like, well, that happened. I don't think.
You know what? I don't care what you do then. I don't care.
Well, I think he's a great old school type of tough guy player, but you know, there are times where he gets in his head and kind of has some
Where are you going?
Let's go down the sideline with the Seahawks. Well, once they started.
Nice. They have the yield. Oh, shit!
Whoa! Very good!
There's our content.
There it is.
I'll download that and send it to you.
Nothing but thumbs up.
Fuck. The first one didn't yield when they should have either.
Tom, I mean, talk to me about, the best and worst of human tendencies when it comes to what we do and don't accept.
Yeah, so I think Cecil hit it, but maybe just to add some color to it, the point that keeps getting driven home, and it's the point you alluded to as well, is that we have to recognize that we are not the outlier. We are not above the fray. So when we all have the same tendency to look at the things that we don't believe, right? We look at the things that we know are bullshit, and everybody, no matter who you are, everybody has something that lives in their bullshit column. And that's fine, that's great, that's good. But we have to recognize that we are not the outlier. There are things that likely live in your column of cherished beliefs or ideas that you hold to be true that may smell exactly like the
Too much of a hurry.
and run them through the same fair. The problem is that we don't identify those pieces that we are motivated to love and to enjoy and cherish and feel validated by in the same way, because most of those beliefs come to us in these really insidious ways. So most beliefs that we end up with,
And now we're in
we
the
don't
same
end up
place.
with as a result of a careful and long medicine, because we're scared and we're sick and there are people that are offering to help, whether we're swimming in the soup of any kind of conspiratorial nonsense, whether it's we're in there. And it's very likely that most of us have some thoughts, whether these big sort of categorical beliefs or whether there are other parts of our belief system. We have to have some mechanism to see it, to be clear about it, to say, okay, look, if all bullshit smells the same, what am I unlocking?
Wait a minute!
You dingleberry.
Supposed to ride in the street. Yes, I have. Go. Can fit. You're not driving an oil tanker. Good job. don't have to stop. That side does. Read the signs. Oh my God. Go! Go! Wow. What a tool. You got two people mad at you.
Well, actually, so that's what I was going to ask you is, what if this weren't a witness? What if it was some sort of, I don't know, enter into evidence this photo of him doing a wheelie or whatever, and he didn't contradict it? Would that then change it to C?
Ass sticking out.
So
That deserves a thumbs up.
Oh, really?
To authenticate the document.
Good job. Very good. So difficult. Oh my God. Motherfucker.
I think this is a bigger crowd than we saw down in Vegas.
What are you doing?
It's a noisier crowd for sure. Yeah, it was a little bit more sparse there. We saw them
God.
fill in here. And pretty much
Everybody's fucking up.
it's a good crowd. A couple times there. I'm sure us, man, smooth place.
In addition to alleging that Lindell's claims are inherently improbable, that his sources are unreliable, that he has failed to acknowledge the validity of countervailing evidence, Dominion has also alleged numerous instances in which Lindell told audiences to purchase
What are you
MyPillow
doing?
products after making his claims of election fraud and
What are
providing
you doing?
MyPillow promotional codes related to those theories. In totality, it is adequately alleged that Lindell made his claims knowing they were false or with reckless disregard. I'm gonna.
That's some
skip
stellar
over
driving.
The personal jurisdiction argument, the deceptive trade practices claims, but again, they get smacked down on the law on all of these, right? So these are some technical legal arguments of, hey, I didn't really do anything in Washington D.C., so you have no personal jurisdiction over me, or you should transfer this matter to either Texas, which is where Sidney Powell wants to transfer it, or to the District of Minnesota, which is where Mike.
Go out into the intersection. Turn your lights on! God damn it.
We made one called The Snake, which now has something like 10 million views.
Captions, which became a really popular viral video about Trump. And then we just kind of went full steam ahead. Ultimately, we had to figure out what is the best outlet for this. Like, how do we now take these videos and have real-world effects?
Another one parked literally right next to a no parking sign.
Maybe TV, maybe we could get a billboard up, maybe we could do mailers, maybe we could expand this into something larger. So we spoke with a billion attorneys, and everybody gave us the same conclusion, which is like,
enjoy that.
Start a political action committee, to which we responded, what the heck is a political action?
Like in the street, not on the sidewalk. Street, not the sidewalk.
And another one.
Like in the street, not the sidewalk. Not the sidewalk.
Hello, what are you doing? Hello, 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 hello. Oh, hell no, who's that? Who's the new idiot? Who is that? Oh, hell no.
It's like driving a house.
I'm not from here. I'm not used to it.
Oh, I wasn't saying it you, but that was fun.
I mean, they're stretching to find reasons the Bible justifies not.
Oh my God.
And they're doing it really good for them.
That was bad.
Passages 1 through 5. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. You're a big boy. Nobody tells you what to do.
Oh
Fight the man, I
my
guess.
God.
Genuinely.
Seriously.
Yes.
Jokes on leaving you. It's just you and me.
God, so dumb.
If you say it and you say it and it sounds scientific to these people, like they believe it. Like the grace in the passages, your grace and neurologist.
Somebody please honk at them.
Like, they bring up this crazy stuff. See factors. Like 100 other factors saying different stuff.
Going the wrong way, Scooter. Go with traffic. Ah. Hey, they fixed it. They fixed it.
I'm not dead.
Thank you. at this idiot. Good job.
Well, there's something I thought I'd never see. Dirty Dan doing some cleaning. You know, I'm proud of you, Dan, for stepping up and doing some mopping and making the place look... Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, God. Dirty Dan. What the hell, man? That's my Prius you just covered with all that shitty poop water. You're supposed to go dump the water out back away from the cars. You take that mop right now and you go clean the shitter, you fucking asshole.
I'm just going to go ahead and mosey on down to the like button, smash it. I'm also going to just quietly, just lazily subscribe because this is really, really cool.
Why? Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh my God. What the fuck are you doing?